Okay, here we go. Cases, phone, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus right here on deck. And these cases right here from Armadillotek. So I'm not gonna be able to try out every last one of these because they're actually for the Samsung S20 as well as the 20 Ultra, and I have the 20 Plus right here in front of me. So this is the one that we're going to focus on, but I'm going to show you every case that they have in this lineup. I got like 14 cases here, and they even threw in my favorite color. So let's check these out. It's Average Tech Guy. Welcome to another case review. So like I said, I got cases like crazy right here. I'm gonna push all this to the side, and what I want to really focus on is basically just showing you what they have for these lineups. So this right here is the Vanguard series. Now these are specifically for the S20. Got the S20 Plus, but these are for the S20. So putting these to the side. Now the same case in the Vanguard series is right here as well. So you get an extra color. You get a red one for the Vanguard series and the S20 Plus, and you also get the orange, which I already got out the pack because I couldn't wait to open up the orange. Orange being one of my favorite colors. But we got 3 of these right here. Putting these out front because I will be basically trying this series on and doing a wireless charge test, so I have my wireless charger right over here. Okay, so the next one we're going to actually be looking at is the Ultra series of cases, which same colors, same everything, just bigger casing. Putting these to the side as well. And then we actually have another entry into the Vanguard series. This right here is the Cyber Ranger. Comes in 3 separate basically variants, because you get a smoked out gray one. You get one that has little orange tips on the edges, and you get another one that has the red tips on the edges. So I'm gonna sit those to the side as well, because the main ones that I want to focus on will be these right here. Of course, these are for the S20 Plus. Now, very easy to open up. Comes with a little tab right here, or a little hole. Just stick your finger in, pop these open, take them out. Now this case actually comes in 2 separate pieces. So what you have to remember is there's going to be a little sticker that's right there on the front. You're going to have to peel that off. Once you peel that off, if I can peel it off all the way. So down here in this corner, this would be your right hand corner. This is where all the magic happens. You're just going to pop that open, and boom, there you go. You got 2 separate pieces. There is no protector on the front of this, nothing going on like that. I'm gonna take this off the stand. By the way, this stand is by Subcase. I know a lot of people ask about this stand. This is a multi-angle stand. I use it in a lot of my videos. You'll see it. I'll drop a link below so you can check that one out for yourself. But this is what you get. So what I'm gonna do is pop that on, just like that. Bumper goes around the screen. Drop this in like so, making sure that all of it goes in, and there you go. Now looking at this, you get a nice clean finish. If you look at those edges, everything looks good, everything lines up. And then when we're talking about the actual ports down bottom, this is what you're going to be looking like. You got all your ports down there, everything looks good, nice, clean, clear, and open. You get a bumper on each edge of it. Boom, nothing happens to that screen because it's always protected. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna be able to slam it down. You're gonna be able to not get hurt. You got edges right here protecting, and you got nice rubber grips on the side. So you're not gonna have to worry about this sliding out of your hand. I will not be leaving the blue one on, but you do have a kickstand. If you can see, stands up that way. Stands up that way. And then the best thing about the kickstand is it always goes back flat. You don't have to worry about any issues. See, nice and flat. That's pretty much it. Very clean case, very well built. I give it a big thumbs up. Now the next thing that we actually have to do is we always have to do the wireless charging test, and I don't have much cord, so we gotta turn the volume up so you can hear this thing. Ringer all the way up, all my volume. There we go. Wireless charge test passed. Big thumbs up. We do have wireless charge through this case. So we got shock protection, we got military grade protection, we got nice grips on the side, no issues, everything hard, rubberized TPU, bumpers on the side. Everything looks good with this case. I have no problem. I've been rocking Armadillotek for the past 2 years now. I always keep one of their cases around somewhere. And like I said, orange has been my favorite color. This is probably the one I'm gonna be using. So let me just try this one on so I can show you guys what it's gonna look like. Taking that one off, just sitting it down. Same thing, bumper just goes around that screen like that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you look closely on the inside, you get that honeycomb shape. That honeycomb shape actually catches air behind there. And what's gonna happen is if you drop your phone, it actually has a cushioning effect. The air that's in there has a cushioning effect. So you don't have to worry about your back getting busted up. So this is actually what the orange one will look like. I like the orange, nice, vibrant. If you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, I just posted some pics of this one with my orange watch band. But that's pretty much it. Same thing, you get a nice deep groove, like the camera really disappears in there. You have to go down in there to get it. So you don't have to worry about your camera getting busted up from any angle. Like I said, this comes for the S20 as well as the S20 Ultra. I just got the Plus right here in front of me. So this is the one I'm using. This is the one I've been rocking with on a daily basis for the past week and a half or so. But I've had no issues. These cases just got here in the mail. Big ups to Armadillotek for getting these out to me. I really enjoy the products, and you guys keep on doing your thing. Now, the next one I want to actually look at, I'm gonna reach for this one over here. This is the Urban Ranger. All of these are basically the same, but this one, plastic TPU, rubberized. You got the edging in there, you got the little cushions. They come in different colors, so you can see this one is the red one. They actually have an orange one, and they got the smoke color that I just showed you. You get your Armadillotek logo right there, your branding, and you get the hard rubberized edges. No issues out of that. The back is not as hard. Like I said, this is just more of a bumper style case, but it will give you that protection. It's going to protect those edges, and the camera sits down in that recess behind there. So there you have it, guys. More cases from the company Armadillotek. These are some of the toughest military grade protection cases that you can find out there. They offer great protection for the edges, offer great protection for the camera, and they even keep all those cutouts right where they're supposed to be. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.